So I'm pulling an all-nighter and I'm all jacked up on caffeine.
Chip, I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
And my parts came in today. So let's do this. Alright guys, so for you who don't know what's going on with Project Echo, this is what happened when I attempted to replace the axle seal.
That is a lot of metal chunks. See it right there? Ooh, that's not good.
So that's what's led to this video. Let's go ahead and see if we can't swap out these spider gears and get this thing back on the road.
Aha. Got him!
And something else I like to go ahead and do is go ahead and keep the C-clip with the axle that it was on. Woo! Wow! She is stuck on there. Yeah, I knew you'd give it up. I'll knock you too. Pretty sure that wasn't supposed to fall out. I mean, I'm no mechanic. I'm pretty sure that wasn't supposed to fall out. Yeah, she's overly due for back brakes. But real bad. You go look at my camera. Get your butt around there. Oh, let's see if this other one comes out as easy as the last one did. Mwahaha. Alright, keep in mind that this notch right here goes to the outside, and of course this side needs to stay on this side, so I want to keep it over here to the right. That way everything stays with the parts that it should. All right, well, good morning. So I fought with this stupid thing, and I could not figure out how in the world to get those two little pins out that holds the counterweights. Here, I'll just show you. These, on most videos that I saw, there were two holes right here that you would use to punch and push those pins out, but those holes are not there. And you've got these back here, and I've tried putting a punch in the side of those holes, and I've also tried putting like a bolt or something on it and knocking those out, and I don't know, I just can't get it to work. It will not come out. Not to mention, I'm pretty sure that they sent me the wrong gears, so I'm probably gonna have to send those back, because these look like they're for an open differential. These look like they're for an open differential, and if you look in there, you see there's like a weird curve that gear has. Like, it does like an up and down curve all the way around that tooth part, whereas this one is just like a solid gear, solid, straight, flat all the way around. So pretty sure it won't work. I don't know. So I'm going to take it to Isaac's garage down here and see what they can do with it. And hopefully they can help me out. If not, I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to go to a junkyard and just find an old Silverado or something and rip the diff out of it and throw it in here for now until I can get me some one-ton axles or something. So, all right, let's get going. Ow! Okay, guys, so I took the differential. I let my dad check it out. He had never seen one set up like this. I took it to the machine shop down the road. That guy's been working on GM 10 bolts and stuff like that for years. He had never seen one like this. So all the videos and stuff that I'd found online showed like two little holes that were supposed to be right here. As you can see, there are none to get these counterweights out. For what we figured is, and I tried pushing those in and that didn't work. What we figured is that it takes probably some type of like a fork. It probably takes some type of like prying fork or something to clip onto this or here and then press these out that way. That way we could pull this out. But the weird thing was my gear right here. You see how that's got like a wave to it instead of being perfectly flat? See it up in, yeah, I think you might be able to see it in here too. Let's see. There it is, yeah. Look at that. It's like, instead of being nice and perfectly flat around like my new gears are that I got, that gear set, the back of it where the clutches go, are like, it has some kind of a weird wave pattern to it. So anyways, I'd never seen one like this. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about this style of setup. Like, I've seen plenty of gov lockers and stuff, but not having the holes for the pins and then having that weird wave design on the back instead of it being nice and flush. So even Summit Racing, they sent me a gear set that's like, the back of it's like flush. And, you know, so I told them, I was like, hey guys, this isn't the right one. I was like, no big deal. I'm sure, you know, you just send me the right one. And when I was explaining to them, you know, like why that was the wrong gear set, they thought I was nuts. They was like, I've never heard of one like that. It doesn't make sense. So he actually sends me over to like a senior tech that's been working for Summit Racing for like 20 or 23 years or something like that, he said. And even he was like, he's like, I don't know, man. He's like, I've never heard of one being like that. So he gave me the number for Eaton. So I'm gonna call Eaton, since they're the ones that designed this thing back in '85, and see if they might have the particular gear set for this. If they don't, the only thing I know to do is maybe go to a junkyard and just find a whole nother diff to throw back in this thing, just to get it back on the road. I have plans for like maybe some 1-tons or something like that, you know what I mean? Because I really want to beef the drivetrain up on this thing. But as of right now, to get back, or so that way I can make it to the No Name Nationals, I just need this thing on the road. Even if it's open diff, which would super suck. I would hate to put an open diff back in it. But if it's just getting it on the road for now, I'll do it. So there we are, guys. That's where I'm at so far. We started off trying to fix an axle seal, which, by the way, hang on. It is fixed. I did fix the axle seal, and I'll probably do a quick little video or a how-to on how to do that later. But yes, the axle seal is fixed.
Look right up there. There you go. Cheese.
Back. You're up in my personal space, Aries. I don't want kisses. Quit. Quit. I don't want kisses. Stop! I don't want kisses! Aries! Stop it! Get out of my face. Quit. You're all up in my face, bro. You're all up in my face.